Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're going to go over how to replace the door handle on one of these Cobalts. It's pretty typical that this stuff will start flaking off, and you can actually cut your hand on that. So it's kind of like foil. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. It's pretty simple. We'll try to do it without taking off the door handle. I don't know if I can do it, but we're going to give it a shot. Okay, first thing we need a couple of tools. You need a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver, and we'll get started. First of all, you remove this tab in the back. Use that to release it so you can pull it out. Once you get that out, there's a little Phillips screw in there. You just remove that. Pretty uneventful. Then once you get that removed, it just pops right out. The main problem you're gonna have, I guess, is getting to this right here. So I am gonna loosen up the door panel, and so I can get to that a little bit easier. All right, since we're gonna have to remove this door panel, you can see in here where you put your hand to close the door, there's a little thing there you got to release, and it's got a couple of Phillips head screws in there. Got to take those out. Once you get those removed, this thing just comes right out, just like that. Now, I'm going to have to turn this off so I can disconnect the connector. Alright, once you got that out of the way, I've got these little tools here that are made out of plastic, so when you go behind the door panel, you won't scratch the paint up. I'm going to use that to release this door. Take this tool, stick it behind the door, pry on a little bit. You get your hand behind there, pry it up. Stick this behind here, pop that on. Door handle. Now, take the door handle out. This is the part number in case you need it for the new one. There's a little tab right here. You gotta pull this off. That's it. Comes right off. Put the one on. See, that goes right down in there. we got that door handle on. See, it looks brand new. Don't have to worry about anyone cutting their hand on it. But anyway, it's pretty simple. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. We'll be doing more repairs, I'm sure we'll have on this car. I want to go over a list of things that are pretty common on this car in one of my videos. And I'll show you how to fix those and what to look for when they go bad. Anyway, we appreciate you watching. We'll talk to you next time.